Please stand by for an important message from station WXN31.
Tornado emergency for southern Grant and northern Stevens County. The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado warning for southern Grant County in western Kansas, northern Stevens County in western Kansas, until 3:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado near Ulysses. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving south at 120 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for southern Grant County and northern Stevens County. Take cover now. This is an extremely dangerous tornado with complete devastation likely. You could be killed if not underground or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay, seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a structure, or if time allows, consider moving to an underground shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no shelter from this tornado. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Grant County and Stevens.